welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you will not miss a video of Nikki V's. So as you guys can see down below, today's video is cleaning my vanity with me. My vanity needs some serious help. But before we start with all the cleaning, because there's a lot of cleaning to do and you guys are gonna watch me do it, but before all that, I wanted to talk to you guys about the clothes that I posted a while back on my story. I did post that I wanted to get rid of a lot of clothes that I don't need anymore. I did set that aside in my bed right now because I cleaned out all my closet, but I do have like around 15 items that I didn't really need anymore, and I feel like it's rude to just leave it sitting there while someone else can be using my clothes for cheap too. So then I thought of a good idea to sell my clothes on Poshmark, and some of you guys told me to not sell clothes that expensive, so I got you guys this time. I got you guys with cheap clothes that I really love, and you guys can download Poshmark using the link in my description box. You guys can shop from my closet or your guys' favorite brands. And I believe Poshmark is the easiest way to sell items to clean out your closet. This has really helped me. I have like a lot of clothes right there. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you guys are size small, you guys can probably still shop my closet and give it to someone else, like your cousins, your sisters, your mom. But here are some of the items that I will be selling on Poshmark. Some of the clothes that I don't need and I don't wear anymore. Most of the clothes that I'm selling I did wear once. Like these shorts, I actually have 2 of these. I got these from Laura's Boutique. This little white top has like a little bow right here in the middle. Here is this other crop top skirt set. I do have a lot of these, guys, and I don't know if you guys noticed, I do have a lot of crop tops and 2-piece and all that, so hopefully you guys like them. Okay guys, so this is my closet. Don't mind my nails. Make sure to follow me, guys, if you guys want to get some of my clothes. The first one I listed was a $3 shirt, so if you guys see it, make sure to be the first one to get it. I do have this green 2-piece short set, super cute, size small. A lot of my clothes is size small, like I said earlier. I do have this red 2-piece set from Laura's Boutique, and here are Sebastian Aiden outfits. There's a lot of cute outfits right here, guys, and this is an old picture, by the way. This is one of my favorite shirts, only for $10, so make sure to get them. Okay guys, so don't mind the clothes and the mess in the background. So this is my dirty vanity. Kind of embarrassed to show you guys, but this is the reality of a girl's vanity. Well, some girls are super clean. Some girls like me are dirty and don't clean their vanities often, but this is what happens after every time I get ready. Look at how dirty this is. Like I just have everything all over the place. Glasses in here, I don't know why. You guys are gonna basically help me clean, but you guys can get some ideas to like how decorate your vanity. And a lot of you guys have been asking me where I got this like little mini vanity mirror. I did get it from Lorella, super cute. And I did get that mirror in the back from IKEA, as well as this little desk. Came with these drawers, dirty drawers. So the first thing you want to do is, I have no idea. I don't know what I want to do first. Oh, don't mind the mess in the back, guys. I was kind of editing my video right now just to not edit so much when I have to edit. So what we're going to start off with is like this one brush holder. I will be putting all my brushes in here. I've been wanting to buy those like things where you put your lipsticks and just be so organized, but I'm just so lazy to buy them. So yeah, I'm basically just putting my brushes all right here. I have a lot of these. I do keep all my like cremas, my hair protectors and stuff like that, because I do have blonde hair and I need so much like hair protection. I don't know what this is. Ew. These are the makeup wipes that I use. These are super good, guys. Here's where I keep like all my jewelry. Oh, and some money. I have like all types of stuff in there. I don't even know what anymore. Like some cologne. I don't know. I have so much jewelry that it's all tangled up already. Some cute earrings. I do find a lot of stuff that I've never seen in my life. Oh, and some rings. Ankle bracelet. Oh, ankle bracelet. Yeah, it sounded kind of like, you know, ankle bracelet, but these are like the cute ankle bracelets. I have more phone cases. I have a lot of stuff in here that I don't even need. So I like to put like my lotions on this side and like little sprays over here, as you guys can see. These are like the hairsprays that I use, so I'm gonna put them right there. This is the setting spray that I love to use. I don't know if you guys saw it on my last makeup video. And I will be putting my perfumes in the front. I actually love cleaning my vanity sometimes when it's not super dirty. But let me show you guys where I keep all my like lashes. This is basically where I keep my lashes, but right now I have them like all over the place, so no se untan todas. A lot are like in here. So I did put my watches right there. It's the one that my boyfriend gave me, the one that my mom gave me, and I bought this one myself. Oh, they're all super cute. This one is from Michael Kors, this one's from Apple, and this one is from Guess. Guess where it's from, guys? Guess. And I do have this. It says Peace, super cute. And I actually got this little plant when my mom surprised me with my vanity. If you guys know, well then you guys know. And this little doggy is from Pink. I don't know why I got it. I think I got it like when I got a lot of clothes, I'm not sure. And I don't know what this is doing back here. It's like, what is this? A 1 minute hair mask. I don't really use this. It's like really not even cleaning no more. I'm just showing you guys what I have while I'm cleaning. And for those that know, I did win these 3 crowns in different events. I used to model a lot, by the way, for those who don't know. And I do have these like candles I had for like December and all that, for the winter basically. Now I'm just taking out my makeup and putting it right here so I can like clean this side. You guys probably already seen like 3 minutes of me cleaning, but oh my god, I've been cleaning for like a long time already. I do have like a lot of makeup. For those who have this concealer, let me know if this is good. I've only tried it once, but I don't know, I just never really used it again. Like I said, I have a lot of lipsticks I don't use. It's Lorella, and this is from Anastasia. More Lorella. This is, ooh, this one's pretty bomb. Like a little gloss. Okay guys, so look at how dirty this is. I have my boyfriend's comb in here. It's lleno de maquillaje, so I'm sorry, you can't have this back no more. I'm gonna grab one of these wipes and clean in there. I usually use like a wet rag, so that's probably the best it'll get, just because I've had this for a long time. It's time for a new one actually. I'm gonna start putting everything inside now, starting with like the foundations and stuff like that. If you guys don't want yours to get like this, make sure to put something under, just so it doesn't get as bad as mine did. So I have all these lipsticks and I still go out with the same one. Here I'm putting like my highlights, my blushes, my contours and stuff like that. Okay guys, so I just finished cleaning my vanity. Oh my gosh, it took such a long time cleaning. It probably doesn't look like it took a long time, but it took a long time. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But let me show you guys what's up. Probably still kind of looks the same, but I did clean on all this. I put my lipsticks right here. I put like all my foundations, my sponges, like just little you know, little stuff. My eyelash curler, and then mascaras, highlights, blushes, and just stuff like that. My powder, and all my brushes are right here. I'm gonna just like leave this right here. On this side, I did put my phone cases right here, like some jewelry, Jonathan's dirty brush, some pop sockets, and just stuff like that. I need to buy something to hang all my jewelry. I did put like my lotions and like hair stuff I need to use. And here are my perfumes. My brother did give me this one for Christmas. It's Bombshell Holiday. It smells so good, from Victoria's Secret. And this one, it's Saint Laurent, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's so good, guys. I recommend these two. Super bomb. And like hair products. And I do still have these candles from winter. They smell so good. My crowns, and I already explained what all that stuff was. But yeah, that kind of like wraps up what I do with my vanity. I do still need to clean this, so I will be doing that later on. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming this for you guys, and I hope you guys liked watching me clean my vanity. It is finally clean again. It will get dirty again like tomorrow or in 2 days, or when I get ready again. But it was super much fun. I hope you guys got like some ideas how to decorate your guys' vanity. Super cute. I do have my lashes on one side, my jewelry on the other, and all my makeup on the bottom. That kind of wraps up everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mom, come back.
What?
Check out my vanity.
Nice. Get closet?
No. Just
But
kidding.
what's
I
all the
cleaned
trash
it.
you threw out there?
Don't tell him.
It looks nice.
So yeah.
Can you go clean mine now?
No. So don't forget to download Poshmark using the link in my description box, and you guys can shop from my closet or any of your guys' favorite brands.